Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to enhance their fitness journey. The 5 vitamins that can significantly speed up muscle growth and repair. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, understanding the role of vitamins in your body can make a world of difference in your performance and recovery. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second and the channel will help you on your fitness journey. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a pivotal role in muscle function and recovery. One of its primary functions is aiding in calcium absorption, which is crucial for muscle contractions. When you engage in physical activity, your muscles require calcium to contract effectively. Without adequate levels of vitamin D, your body struggles to absorb calcium from the foods you eat, which can lead to weaker muscle contractions and hinder your overall performance. In addition to its role in calcium absorption, vitamin D is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. After an intense workout, your muscles can experience micro-tears, leading to soreness and inflammation. Vitamin D helps to reduce this inflammation, promoting faster recovery and allowing you to get back to your training routine sooner. This means that not only does vitamin D support muscle function during exercise, but it also plays a crucial role in helping your body recover afterward. To ensure you're getting enough vitamin D, it's important to include food sources rich in this nutrient in your diet. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks are excellent options. However, one of the most effective ways to boost your vitamin D levels is through sunlight exposure. Just 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight on your skin a few times a week can significantly enhance your vitamin D levels, making it an essential part of your routine, especially if you're training hard. In summary, vitamin D is vital for muscle function and recovery, aiding in calcium absorption and reducing inflammation. By incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into your diet and getting adequate sunlight exposure, you can optimize your muscle performance and recovery, helping you achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Vitamin C is often celebrated for its immune-boosting properties, but it also plays a crucial role in muscle repair and growth. One of the key functions of vitamin C is its involvement in collagen synthesis. Collagen is a vital protein that provides structure to muscles, tendons, and joints. When you engage in physical activity, especially resistance training, your muscles undergo stress and micro-tears. Vitamin C helps to repair these tears by promoting collagen production, which is essential for maintaining muscle and joint health. This means that adequate vitamin C levels can enhance your recovery and support overall muscle integrity. In addition to its role in collagen synthesis, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. During exercise, your body produces free radicals, which can lead to oxidative stress and muscle fatigue. This oxidative stress can hinder your performance and slow down recovery. Vitamin C helps combat this by neutralizing free radicals, reducing exercise-induced oxidative stress, and allowing your muscles to recover more efficiently. By incorporating vitamin C into your diet, you can help protect your muscles from the damaging effects of intense workouts. To ensure you're getting enough vitamin C, it's important to include a variety of food sources in your meals. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are well known for their high vitamin C content. Additionally, bell peppers, strawberries, kiwi, and broccoli are excellent sources that can easily be added to your diet. In summary, vitamin C is an essential nutrient for muscle repair and growth, aiding in collagen synthesis and providing antioxidant protection against oxidative stress. By focusing on vitamin C-rich foods, you can enhance your recovery and support your overall fitness journey, ensuring your muscles stay healthy and strong. Vitamin E is often referred to as the muscle protector, and for good reason. This powerful antioxidant plays a significant role in muscle recovery, particularly by safeguarding muscle cells from oxidative damage during workouts. When you exercise, your body generates free radicals, which can lead to oxidative stress and damage to muscle tissues. Vitamin E helps neutralize these free radicals, protecting your muscle cells and promoting a healthier recovery process. By reducing oxidative damage, vitamin E allows your muscles to repair more effectively, enabling you to bounce back faster after intense training sessions. In addition to its protective qualities, vitamin E also plays a crucial role in improving blood circulation. Enhanced blood flow is essential for delivering vital nutrients and oxygen to your muscles during and after exercise. When your muscles receive an adequate supply of nutrients, they can recover more efficiently and grow stronger. Vitamin E supports the health of blood vessels, promoting better circulation and ensuring that your muscles get the nourishment they need to thrive. To incorporate more vitamin E into your diet, focus on foods that are rich in this essential nutrient. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources, with almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts topping the list. Additionally, you can find vitamin E in green leafy vegetables, such as spinach and kale, as well as in vegetable oils like sunflower and olive oil. In summary, vitamin E is a vital nutrient for muscle recovery, protecting muscle cells from oxidative damage and improving blood circulation for better nutrient delivery. By including vitamin E-rich foods in your diet, you can enhance your recovery process and support your overall fitness goals, ensuring your muscles remain healthy and resilient. Embrace the power of vitamin E and give your muscles the protection they deserve. Vitamin B6, often dubbed the energy booster, plays a crucial role in protein metabolism and energy production, making it an essential nutrient for anyone focused on muscle repair and growth. One of the primary functions of vitamin B6 is its involvement in converting proteins into amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein and are vital for muscle repair after workouts. When you exercise, your muscles experience stress and microtears, and vitamin B6 helps facilitate the breakdown of dietary proteins into amino acids, which are then used to rebuild and strengthen muscle tissues. This process is essential for recovery and overall muscle health. In addition to its role in protein metabolism, vitamin B6 is also important for neurotransmitter synthesis. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells, impacting muscle coordination and overall motor function. Adequate levels of vitamin B6 ensure that your body can produce these neurotransmitters effectively, which can enhance your coordination during workouts and improve your overall athletic performance. This means that not only does vitamin B6 support muscle repair, but it also plays a role in how well your muscles function during exercise. To ensure you're getting enough vitamin B6 in your diet, focus on incorporating a variety of food sources. Poultry, such as chicken and turkey, is an excellent source of vitamin B6, as are fish like salmon and tuna. Additionally, bananas are a convenient and tasty option that provides a good amount of this essential nutrient. Other sources include potatoes, chickpeas, and fortified cereals. In summary, vitamin B6 is vital for protein metabolism and energy production, aiding in the conversion of proteins into amino acids for muscle repair and supporting neurotransmitter synthesis for better muscle coordination. By including vitamin B6-rich foods in your diet, you can enhance your recovery and optimize your performance, making it a key player in your fitness journey. Incorporating these vitamins into your fitness regimen is essential for optimizing muscle health and enhancing your overall performance. By focusing on a balanced diet rich in these nutrients, you can support your body's recovery processes and ensure that your muscles are functioning at their best. Remember, the right dietary choices can make a significant difference in your fitness journey, so take the time to evaluate what you're eating and how it aligns with your goals. If you found this information helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more fitness insights and tips. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who are also looking to enhance their muscle growth and recovery. Together, we can build a community focused on health and fitness, empowering each other to reach our goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.